Today we are bringing you a critical update on a case that has gripped many hearts, particularly in India, the desperate fight to save Nimisha Priya, an Indian nurse on a death row in Yemen. The latest heartbreaking turn in a family to afford secure freedom. Nimisha Priya, a young woman from Kerala, India, found herself in an unimaginable nightmare working as a nurse in Yemen. She was accused and convicted of murder of Talal Abdu Mahdi, a Yemeni national, in 2017. Nimisha's defense consistently been that she administered sedatives to Mahdi in an attempt to retrieve her passport, which she claimed he had illegally confiscated, and to escape his alleged abuse and torture. Tragically, he died from an overdose of that sedative. In the legal system of Yemen, governed by Islamic Sharia law, there is an legal provision known as Diyya, often referred to as blood money. This is a form of financial compensation paid by the offender or their family to the victim's kin. If the victim's family accept this compensation, they have the power to pardon the accused, which can be commute a death sentence. For Nimisha Priya, with her appeals exhausted, Diyya remains essentially her only legal path to escape the execution. For months, Nimisha Priya's family, supported by various actions council and public contributions, has been trying to raise a significant sum, reportedly up to $1 million to offer as Diyya. This was their inspiration of hope, a desperate attempt to persuade Mahdi's families to grant a pardon. However, in a devastating development reported just days ago, the family of Talal Abdu Mahdi has rejected this offer of blood money. They are reportedly insisting on the death penalty, adhering to the principle of qisas, or the retaliation in kind, which is also permitted under Sharia law. This news is a crushing blow, but it is crucial to understand that the fight for Nimisha's life is not over. While the immediate offer has been rejected, her family and supporting organizations are not giving up. Efforts to negotiate are still ongoing, often involving religious leaders and mediators, trying to convince the Mahdi's family to reconsider their stance. The next critical date in this horrifying timeline is August 14, when the case is reportedly scheduled for new hearing. The emotional and financial tone of Nimisha's family, especially her mother Prima Kumari, who has been in Yemen tirelessly pursuing negotiations, is immense. They have poured their hearts, savings, and the kindness of strangers in the cause, facing unimaginable stress and uncertainty every single day. This case truly underscores the mental and emotional health crisis that family endure when caught in such dire international legal battles fighting against impossible odds. Nimisha Priya's situation remains incredibly precarious. The rejections of the blood money offered is a significant hurdle, making her struggle for survival even more challenging. As we watch this agonizing race against the time unfold, it serves as a powerful reminder of the vulnerability faced by individuals in conflict with international legal systems and vital role of humanitarian efforts in such desperate circumstances. We'll continue to follow this critical story and bring you updates. Thank you for staying informed and for your sympathy. Stay well.